Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a business license in California. First, you'll need to determine your business structure, like a sole proprietorship or an LLC. Next, choose a unique business name and verify its availability with the California Secretary of State. Finally, secure your Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS, and any required state tax ID. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth application process. Once your foundational steps are complete, focus on local and state requirements. Every city and county in California has specific business license rules, so research your local municipality's website. You'll typically apply for a general business license directly through them. If you're forming a corporation or an LLC, remember to register your entity with the California Secretary of State. This ensures your business is legally recognized across the state. Beyond general licenses, many industries require specific permits. For example, if you're in food service, you'll need health permits. Construction businesses require contractor licenses. Research state and federal agencies relevant to your industry to identify all necessary permits. This might include professional licenses for certain occupations or environmental permits. Staying compliant with these specific regulations is vital for legal operation and avoiding penalties. Finally, remember that obtaining a business license is just the beginning. You'll need to understand the renewal processes and deadlines for all your licenses to ensure continuous operation. Maintaining accurate records of your business activities and finances is also crucial for compliance and potential audits. Stay informed about any changes in California's state and local business laws to keep your business legally sound and thriving. It's an ongoing commitment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.